Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You open Chrome and go straight to Studio. YouTube.com, sign in with the Google account tied to your channel. Make sure two-step verification is active and your channel ownership is confirmed so advanced features work. Upload your video files and have thumbnails, titles, descriptions, tags ready. This saves time. Once done, click Create, then upload videos to start the process. You'll see progress bars and basic settings. Set visibility and schedule before moving to detailed metadata. Now focus on the details and editor sections to improve discoverability and watch time. You add a clear title and keyword-rich description, then attach subtitles and tags. This helps search and accessibility. In the editor, trim dead air, add end screens and cards, and upload your custom thumbnail for better CTR. Also set audience options, age limits, and monetization choices if eligible. Once configured, review the checks on the right pane and make adjustments before hitting Next. Finish by selecting visibility and scheduling, making a final review of checks and monetization settings. Publish immediately or schedule for a peak time. Ensure end screens and cards are active, then confirm. After publishing, monitor analytics briefly to catch immediate playback or retention issues. If something goes wrong, for example, upload stalls or publish fails, clear Chrome cache, disable extensions, try an incognito window, and verify channel permissions. Re-upload if necessary. Contact support only after these steps fail.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.